Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shelly again of Richard Shelly Crochet Vlogs. How are you today? So for today's video, we're going to make this coin purse with jasmine stitch. So this is its size, and I'll be using a 2.75mm hook and then the polyester yarn, which is 10 ply. So first, we're going to make a chain of 22 plus 1, so in total of 23 chains. Okay, so make the foundation chain 23. Okay, so make a 3 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So that's our first, second, and third. Then don't forget to put your stitch marker in your very first single crochet stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then attach your stitch marker in there and work 1 single crochet of each stitches across, in total of 20 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just continue working a single crochet across, in total of 20. Leaving your 1 stitch at the last stitch. Okay, so I have now finished my 20 single crochet, and in the last stitch work 3 single crochet. I mean 4 single crochet. 2, 3, then 4. Then continue working 20 single crochet in this side. Then once you've done, you have now, okay, so this is my last stitch, and then for the last stitch here, we're going to work a 1 single crochet and then slip stitch into our first stitch, which is we attach the stitch marker, then chain 1. So we are now in our round 2. So single crochet for the next stitch and put your stitch marker, working only at the back loop only. Then 1 single crochet in each stitches. Continue working all around to complete our round 2. Okay, so last stitch crochet, and then you will notice the next stitch, which is our slip stitch from the previous round. In that stitch we're going to work a 1 single crochet, and then we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet, not in the first chain but into the first single crochet which we attach our slip stitch marker. Okay, then chain 1. So we are now in our round 3, single crochet into same stitch, then don't forget to attach your stitch marker, then work 1 single crochet in each stitch all around. And I have here 1 last stitch left, and single crochet, then slip stitch into the first single crochet or stitch, then chain 1 of course for our round 4. So this is now our piece. We are done for our round 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the bottom, this is the round 1, then round 2, round 3. So we need another 3 round to complete our round 6. Okay, so continue working round 3 for our round 4, 5 and 6. Repeat the pattern of round 3. Okay, so this is now the last stitch of our round 6. Then see you in part 2 for our round 7, which is making the jasmine stitch. Thank you for watching. See you in part 2. Have a good day. Bye bye.